How to know if someone only sent you a Snapchat. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To know if someone has only sent you a snap, let's go ahead and find out if we can or not. So for this, you can open your Snapchat application, then click on the chat icon. Over here, you'll find dozens of snaps that is sent by your Snapchat friends or your friend itself. So, is there any way we can know that the person has only sent us a particular snap? So, the thing is, there is no any direct way to know if someone has only sent us a particular snap. This is because Snapchat does not disclose the information regarding only sent to you. So, in that case, what we can do? You may even go ahead and check your notification, but if you see rarely any of the message from the person, it is most likely that the person has only sent the snap to you. However, again, there is no any guaranteed way to know so. Hopefully you found this video informative to you, and thank you so much for tuning in. We will see you very soon.